Hi everyone, this is Tal from Chooka Media Group, and I'm going to show you how to set up an account in SurveyMonkey. So let's get started. First step is going to surveymonkey.com, and this is our screen. This is the homepage that you will get to. Now, what you want to do right now is sign up for free, and later on, you will be able to log in using this button. Now, this is up to you if you want to use, have a username, password, email, and all of this created, or sign up with either a Google account or Facebook account, Outlook, or LinkedIn. For these purposes, I'm going to use Google because I don't like to remember too many passwords, and it just makes it easier. And Google already knows my password because I'm logged in. So again, that makes it easier. All right, this is our dashboard. And what we're going to be doing right here is completing the profile and then start designing a survey. Completing a profile, right now it has my name, my last name, and if you want to, you can set up your profession, let's say consulting, job level, manager, and next. Your organization, so mine is Chooka Media Group. And again, all of these questions let's just fill this in. Chooka Media Group, organization type. Again, you don't have to fill in all that stuff. You can just click on save and move on. It's completely up to you. And then you can move on to creating a survey. This is our dashboard. You have some survey tips. You have a little bit of information about your profile. And when I go to my profile at the top right, I will have my account. If I click on that, you see we're in my account. You can see that we are on the basic free account. It has my login details and some linked accounts. Right now there's nothing linked. Some more data features and general preferences. Our time zone is actually Atlantic Canada, so we can definitely change that. It's mainly for your purposes, I believe. And we can talk about linked accounts in a later stage. All right. And anything else that you have right here, we're going to talk about a bit later. This is going back to the dashboard. This is for my surveys, and this is for plans and pricing if you want to upgrade to pro account, you can do that. Right now, under my surveys, I do not have any survey. So let's get started.